Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about a powerful magical strategy that will not only amaze you for its magical results, but also you will be enjoying using your scalping strategy along with this indicator. So before going towards the details, I want to tell you that this strategy can be used not only for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. So let's move towards the strategy details. But here I am going to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with them, you get 5 options. They are standard cent, raw spread, zero, and pro account. So if you are interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. Here we are again with our indicators. So first indicator that we are going to use today is volume weighted average price. So it is here in front of you. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The next indicator that we are using is the turtle trade TURTLE turtle trade channels indicator. 10,986 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. And the last and final indicator that we are using is VWAP indicator explosion version 2, and 3065 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Here you can see the chart in front of you, but we will do few of the adjustment to set our charts. For the first indicator that is showing you green colors lines, for this you will not do anything. We will not change any of the adjustment. So we will go into the turtle trade indicator settings. Here we have to change only one thing, entry length from 20 to 12, and we will go into the style tab. We have to uncheck few of the options from here: upper, lower, trend line, exit line. We will not uncheck long entry and short entry. And here we have to uncheck rest of all the options, as we are not going to use them in our chart. Okay, this is all for this. And now we will go into the last indicator, that is VADA ATR. From here we have to change one of the option, dead zone line we will uncheck, and from the explosion line we have to change its color from this to cyan and of opacity 100. Okay, you have to click on OK, and that's all. Okay, here I am going to tell you that how do we use this indicator. First of all, we have to see that this indicator is the VWAP, means volume weightage average. So if you have to see this indicator above this line, then this is overbought level, and if it is below the line, below these lines, then this is in the oversold level, as you can see. So when you have to take the trade, when you see that here, for example, for the long trade, if you see this signal, you have to wait for this buy signal. Second thing, you have to check that your market should be below this green color zone lines. And the third thing that you have to check is from the VADA indicator, you have to check that your histogram should be in dark green color, and it should be above this cyan moving average line. So all four conditions are fulfilled. So we are ready to enter into the market for the buy trend, as you can see in this chart. You have taken maximum profit by taking the buy signal. So this is for the buy or for the bullish trend. Conversely, if we see, for example, here this is the sell signal, you have to check that the market should be above this over bought level. So market will take the trend reversal and it will come down. So you have to check from here in the VADA ATR. From here we have to check that the market should be in the dark color histogram, and it should be above the cyan color moving average line. So all four conditions are fulfilled. So we are ready to enter into the market for the bearish trend. We will take the sell signal. These are the options that will tell you that how to enter into the market for successful trading, for the successful scalping. If we check in any other chart, for example in the gold, so we have to see that, for example, if we are here and we have to check that our market, our indicator is giving us the buy signal. The second thing that we have to see, the second condition, that our market should be below this green color zone. Then we have to check that our market should have a histogram from VADA ATR. It should have dark green color histogram, and it should be above cyan color moving average line. So all the conditions are fulfilled. So we are ready to enter into the market for the buy trend. From here till here almost we have taken the profit, and then we are here again for the sell. Here we have seen the sell signal. We have seen the market is above this green color channel, and we have to check the third thing, that our histogram is above this above in the dark red color, bright red color, and they are above the cyan color line. So we are ready to enter into the market for the sell trend. And as you can see, from here till here we have taken the bearish trend and sell signal, and we have taken the maximum profit by using this signal. So these mixture of indicator of these three indicators, they were very powerful, give you maximum profit for your scalping, and they are successful for your minimum time frame. So do use it for your trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Good luck for your trading. Thank you.